The sexual assault trial of Michael Thompson reached closing arguments as the defense made its case to Justice Philop John Brissette to find Thompson not guilty of both counts. This was a witch hunt, said defense lawyer Leora Shemish, calling testimony from 3 witnesses, including 2 complainants, inconsistent, contradicted, blurry, exaggerated, and fabricated. The complainants claimed Thompson touched and sexually took advantage of them 3 years ago at a Port Carling cottage. The 3 women, the defense argued, presented 3 different versions of events and fumbled their way through cross-examination questioning, arguing the witnesses colluded to fabricate a narrative that had no basis in reality, alleging Thompson got the women intoxicated that weekend to have his way with them. Shemish calling one complainant's testimony ridiculous. The woman told the court she was blackout drunk when Thompson woke her up in the middle of the night, took her to his room, and forced her to perform oral sex on him. Thompson is also accused of touching another woman on her backside and breasts while applying sunscreen to her body. The defense said there was no evidence Thompson did anything wrong. Shemish spent the majority of her submissions dismissing claims by a 3rd woman who testified she was invited to the cottage getaway as a networking opportunity by a man old enough to be her grandfather, whom the Crown said wanted her sexually. The defense called the woman an actress, an opportunist, who was trying to use Thompson to pay for her university debt and get help with her career. And when Thompson told her he wouldn't give her money, her mood changed. Shemish said the Crown in its questioning of Thompson tried to embarrass and shame the longtime politician with inappropriate and irrelevant questions about why he invited the younger women to the cottage. This isn't morality school, Shemish said. It isn't illegal for older men to be with younger women. The defense maintaining all along the weekend getaway was meant to be a fun and relaxing retreat and not a networking opportunity, as some of the witnesses claimed. The Crown then took aim at Thompson's credibility, calling him disingenuous when giving responses that seemed rehearsed, repetitive, almost robotic, and utterly unbelievable, saying Thompson was more concerned with the image he was portraying of himself than telling the court the truth. Justice Brissette is scheduled to deliver his judgment in September. Mike Arsledy, CTV News, Bradford.